Hi friends, I am Madhyalagan, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications, Dr. SNS Rajarasimi College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Coimbatore. Today I have my subject is of professional skill problem solving using C. It is the variable and data type introductions. So variable introduction, it is the variable is the named variable, locations used to the store the data that can change during the program executions. It is the future of variable, have a name, type and a value, have kinds the modified during the executions, must be declared before the use. For example of int age equal to 20, here int it is the data type, age it is the variable name, 20 it is the value. So data type in C, basic data types, so derived data types, user defined data types. So three data types. To data types in the C, it's the basic data type is the int, float, double, character, boolean, avoid. It is the basic data types. So derived data types, it is the array, pointer, functions. So the user defined data type, union, structure, num. This is the variable data types to the introductions. So next one is the data type introduction. It is the data type is specific the data type of the data a variable can store and the amount of the memory allocated to it for the data type. It is the important of the data type. It is the define the memory size, determine the range of the value and specific operations allowed on data. It is the data type int, float, double, character. So data type descriptions example. For example, int it is the store the integer int x equal to 10, float is first storage decimal number, float y is equal to 2.5. In a double it is the storage large decimal value. It is the double d equal to 12.345. Character it is the storage single character ch. It is the a. So variable data type, it is the data type variable name. For example of float salary. Float it is the pointer count. So instead of the variable int count equal to 5. So data type it is the integer. For type it is the basic data type. The data type it is the basic data type. Enumeration data type. Derived data type. Avoid the data type. First basic data type it is the int, character, float, double. It is the four of basic data types. And enumeration data type it is the enum data type. Next one is the derived data type. It is the array, structure, union, pointer, linked list. This is a derived data type. Void data type it is the void functions. This is the based on the data type of 3. Next one, the rule of the naming variable must start with the letter or underscore of the variable, cannot start with any number, no specific symbols about accepted, cannot use keyword. This is the based on the rules of the naming variable. It is the very important of integer, float point, double and character. For example of we have a data type in the int a, int age and float marks and character grade. This is the based on the variable and data type. This is the get the value of age, mark, grade. This is the simple print of and get the value, display the age of 21, marks of 89.5. It's the grade of a. Next one is the variable and data type. It is the integer. It is the used for the whole number of number. And next one is the float. Float it is the decimal value. For example of point 8.5, 9.89.5, 69.5, 100.5. This is the based on the float decimal value. And the character it is the single characters. It is the boolean. It is the true false value. True false value it is the means for 0 and 1s. It is the next one is the string. String it is the sequence of the character. This is the variable and the data type. It is the based on the programming of variable and data type to introductions. Next one is the float mark. It is the 89.5. It is the value. So integer it is the whole number. Character grade it is the character single character of the grade. This is the basic of variable and data type to the C programming language. It is the mostly important of declaration of C programming. Thank you.